Hi guys! Welcome sa enginerdmath channel. Sa video na to ay tuturo ko sa inyo ang operations on integers. So kung gusto niyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. Okay, so this time ay magsasolve tayo ng more problems on operations on integers. So, meron na akong different videos for operations on integers such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, kung hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, ay lilink ko na lang para ma-check nyo. So, magre-review lang tayo ng more problems on operations on integers para ma-recall natin. Okay? So, perform the indicated operations. So, for the first one, we have 2 plus 5. So, ang rule natin kapag mag-a-add tayo ng integers is kapag like signs, i-add natin yung numbers or yung absolute value ng numbers. Kapag unlike signs naman, isusubtract natin yung absolute value ng dalawang numbers and then gagayahin natin yung sign ng mas malaking number dun sa dalawa. So, pag sinabing absolute value, i-disregard natin yung sign. So, parang lagi nating i-consider as positive. Okay? So, sa first example, 2 plus 5. So, pareho sila ng sign na positive, right? So, therefore, i-add natin sila. So, 2 plus 5 is 7. And the sign is positive kasi pareho silang positive. Okay? Next, negative 3 plus 7. So, this time, additionally tayo, pero mapapansin nyo, magkaiba na sila ng sign. Isang negative tsaka isang positive. So, isusubtract natin yung absolute value ng dalawa. So, ano ba yung absolute value ng negative 3? Sabi ko nga, i-disregard natin yung sign. So, kung negative siya, gagawin natin siyang positive. So, positive 3. And then si 7, positive siya. So, positive pa rin yung absolute value niya. Subtract natin sila kasi unlike sign. So, yung mas malaki, which is 7, minus yung absolute value ng negative 3 na 3, which is 7 minus 3, 4. Okay? Tapos, gagayahin natin yung sign ng may mas malaking absolute value. Ano ba yun? 7, right? Since positive si 7, dapat positive din yung sagot natin. Or kung positive man, kahit hindi ko naisulat, right? Next, negative 8 plus negative 7. So, this time, pareho silang negative. So, add lang natin yung absolute value ng dalawang numbers. So, absolute value negative 8 is 8. Absolute value of negative 7 is 7. So, 8 plus 7 is 15. Kasi dahil pareho silang negative, dapat kokopyahin din natin yun sa sum nila. So, dapat ang sagot is negative 15. Okay? Next, 9 plus negative 6. So, this time, magkaiba ulit sila ng sign. Isang positive, isang negative. So, subtract muna natin sila. So, 9 minus 6 is 3. So, anong mas malaki? Si positive or si negative? Si positive pa rin kasi mas malaki yung absolute value ni 9 sa absolute value ni 6. So, therefore, susundin pa rin natin yung sign na positive ni 9. Or kahit hindi ko na isulat, yung positive symbol. Okay? Next, we have 5 minus 2. Okay, so this time subtraction naman tayo. So, ang rule naman natin for subtraction as a review is change the sign ng subtrahen and follow the addition rule. Yung subtrahen, yun yung number after nung minus symbol or yung pangalawang number, which in this case is 2. So, sige, gawin natin. So, change the sign of the subtrahen. So, therefore, kakopyahin ko lang din tong 5 minus. So, 5 minus, and then yung 2, automatic, walang nakalagay na symbol, positive siya, right? So, gagawin ko siyang negative 2, right? And then, follow the addition rule. So, ibig sabihin, magiging operation natin is 5 plus negative 2 na. Kasi gagawin nating addition yung operation after nating ma-change yung sign ng subtrahen sa opposite sign niya. Okay? So, ano na ngayon to? Rule of addition. Unlike signs, right? Isang positive, isang negative. So, susubtract natin sila. 5 minus 2 is 3. And then, kukopyahin natin yung sign ng mas malaking number, which is 5. So, sa positive si 5, therefore, positive 3 dapat yung sagot natin. Or simply, 3. Okay? Or kung susundin lang natin yung pagsusubtract, 5 minus 2 is 3 naman talaga, right? Okay? Next, negative 2 minus 4. Same rule. So, kopya si negative 2. And then, itong minus operation gagawin nating plus. Pero, dapat babalik ka rin natin yung sign ni 4. So, positive 4 siya. So, magiging negative 4. So, ano nang kinalabasan? Like signs na parehong negative. So, pag like signs sa addition, i-add natin yung absolute value nila. Then, copy the same sign. So, 2 plus 4 is 6. And then, since pareho silang negative, dapat negative din yung sagot. Okay? Next, 3 minus 7. Okay, so same rule. So, copy si 3, and then yung minus, gagawin nating add operation, and then yung 7, gagawin nating opposite sign niya. So, positive 7 siya, gagawin kong negative 7. So, ano kinalabasan? Addition of unlike sign. So, kapag ganon, subtract natin yung absolute value nila. So, 7 minus 3 is 4. And then, kokopyahin natin yung sign ng mas malaking absolute value, which is 7. So, sign ni 7 is negative. So, dapat negative 4 yung sagot. Okay? Next, 5 minus negative 8. Okay, so same procedure. Copy si 5. And then, gawin nating plus operation yung minus. And then, gawin nating opposite sign yung subtrahin na negative 8. So, magiging positive 8. Or simply, kahit wala na to, plus 8 na lang. So, 5 plus 8, like sign. So, add natin. 5 plus 8 is 13. Then, copy the same sign nila na positive. Positive 13 or simply 13. Okay? Next, negative 11 minus negative 10. So, copy negative 11. Then, proceed to addition. Then, change the sign ng negative 10 gawing positive 10. Or simply, 10 na lang. So, anong kinalabasan? Negative 11 plus 10. Unlike signs of addition. So, subtract natin sila. We have 11 minus 10 is 1. And then, follow the sign of the higher absolute value, which is yung negative 11. Sign niya is negative, so dapat negative 1 yung sagot. Okay? Next, we have positive 4 times positive 5. So, this time multiplication. So, ang rule naman sa multiplication is, ipe-perform lang natin yung operation ng multiplication sa numbers. And then, kapag meron tayong minultiply na dalawang magkapareho ng signs, either dalawang positive or dalawang negative, dapat ang product natin is positive. Kapag unlike sign naman, isang positive tsaka isang negative, dapat ang final answer natin is negative. Okay, so 4 times 5 daw. So, multiply muna natin, 20. And then, since pareho silang positive, positive din sagot natin. So, positive 20. Okay? Next, negative 3 times 8. So, 3 times 8 is what? 24. And then, since meron tayong isang negative tsaka isang positive, unlike signs, dapat negative yung product or negative 24. Okay? Next, 9 times negative 6. So, multiply muna natin. 9 times 6 is 54. So, again, magkaiba ulit sila ng sign. So, therefore, ang final answer dapat is negative. Okay? Next, negative 2 times negative 7. So, ano yung 2 times 7? 14. So, since pareho silang negative, like signs, dapat yung final answer is positive. So, therefore, the final answer is positive 14. Okay? Next, kapag division naman, same lang din sa rules ng multiplication. Like signs, positive yung sagot. Kapag unlike signs, negative yung sagot. Okay? So, meron tayong 20 divided by 5. So, perform lang natin yung division. So, ano ba yung 20 divided by 5? 4. And then, since pareho silang positive, automatic positive dapat din yung quotient. Okay? Next, 6 divided by negative 3. So, divide muna natin. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, since magkaiba sila ng sign, isang positive, isang negative, unlike signs, dapat ang final answer is negative. Okay? Next, negative 18 divided by negative 9. So, divide muna natin. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So, since magkapareho silang negative, ang final answer dapat is positive 2 or simply 2. Okay? Last, we have negative 14 divided by 7. So, 14 divided by 7 is 2. So, meron tayong isang negative tsaka isang positive, unlike signs. So, therefore, the quotient must be negative. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Review for operations on integers. So, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.